Good morning. I'm Dr. Deuk, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute and the pioneer and inventor of the Deuk plasma rhizotomy, which my friend here, who just came down from North Georgia with bilateral sacroiliac joint pain, inflammation. You had the Deuk plasma rhizotomy bilateral. You can see it being done here with the X-ray guiding the probe. This was done just yesterday, less than 24 hours ago. How do you feel today?
Excellent.
Yeah?
Excellent. Much better than when I arrived.
And that sacroiliac joint pain, is that gone?
I don't feel a thing.
Gone.
Yeah.
Awesome. Now, why did you choose Deuk Spine Institute instead of somewhere in North Georgia?
Well, after doing research for years, all the doctors were wanting to do these procedures, which were out of my thought process of having had done.
Invasive.
Invasive, yeah. Somehow or another, I found your name. It popped up, and I'm like, oh, check this guy out. So I did my research, and I saw that, wow, this may be what I need. So I kind of looked through it and saw exactly what I said. This is non-invasive. I'm like, that's what, I'm a health, kind of into health. So I always watch, and close to being 70, I got to watch what I'm doing because, I'm halfway there. So I've got to do something. And I saw everything. The evidence was like this overwhelming. The success rate was phenomenal for those procedures. So I said, I've got to do this. I've got to do this. Everything that went there, their staff was just phenomenal. Everybody's right on cue. They knew exactly what to do, and everything was just so systematic. Here I am today. Just amazing how those things have, gotten so much better. 12 years or so of having issues on and off, physical therapy, you name it. I've been to all of it. I've done PRP out in Colorado. I've done all these things, and it just comes back, and I was knocked down to the ground. I mean, I was down for the count, not moving. Wife, come get me up. Takes 2 or 3 days to get back in order again. So I don't want to do that again, So this was a ticket after seeing everything online and then just being here through the whole system. It was great. It just went it was perfect.
Yeah, unfortunately, treatments like PRP where they actually add steroids in, it gives the patients a temporary relief. Your procedure we didn't put any steroids in. We just gave you some numbing on the skin so we could cut you. That's it. But we put nothing deep inside. So what you're feeling is real pain relief, permanent.
Oh, that's great.
Good.
Great.
Glad you like it. So what's life going to be like for you now that you're pain-free in your sacrum?
Well, I could start playing golf again, doing my ritual hiking, pretty much any yard stuff, any fix-it things that happen around the house. Bending is a big thing. That was where the issues really started, bending. And I've driven for so many years, probably 35 or 40 years, of sitting in a car driving all day. So
does your wife hike with you?
Yeah, she does.
Two of you guys pretty active?
Yeah, we're very active.
Beautiful up there in North Georgia.
Yeah, it can be nice. The weather right now is a little warm, but we got all the seasons, used to that. But yeah, it's. I would try to get back to those things. I'm a guitarist, so working with standing all day and playing and trying to get through sessions is much needed. So this is kind of the ticket right here.
Well, congratulations.
Thanks so much.
Safe travels to you. Hopefully we don't have to see you again.
We'll send you a letter every once in a while.
I like that. Thank you.
Yes.
All right, let's get you out of here. You got better things to do.